Let's learn colors with these colorful boxes and colorful dogs. Let's see what each box has inside it. Let's find all the surprises and have fun. Let's look at our first box. Our first box is the orange box, and we have an orange dog protecting it. Let's see what this dog is hiding inside this orange box. Let's open it. Wow, we have some things here. So our first thing is a tiger. And the tiger says, roar. Let's see what else is inside the box. Wow, it's a popsicle. It's a yummy popsicle. An orange yummy popsicle. Our next box is a red box here, and a red dog is protecting it. Let's open and let's see what this dog is protecting. Our first surprise is a pom-pom. It's a red pom-pom. Then let's look at our next surprise. Oh, what is that? We have a heart. It's a red heart. There's one more surprise inside it, and this one is some raspberries. A bunch of raspberries, red raspberries. Now we have the yellow box, and we have this cute tiny yellow dog protecting it. Let's see what's inside this one. Our first, oh, that's a baby. It's a yellow little baby. What else do we have inside it? See, we have some cheese. And Mouse loves cheese. We have some cheese to eat. And let's see what else is inside. Ah, there it is. A crab. It's a yellow crab. It's a sea animal holding a red heart. Our next box is the green one. And we have this green dog protecting this box. Let's see what this one is hiding inside. Looks like there's so many things inside this one. We have a green mermaid. Wow, it looks so pretty. And the hair of this mermaid are brown. It's a very pretty green mermaid. What else do we have here? We have a Christmas tree. A green Christmas tree with red Santa hat on top of it. It's a beautiful Christmas tree. Let's look at our next surprise, which is a dinosaur. Oh my goodness. That's a green dinosaur. It says roar. And the next one is a popsicle. A green popsicle with a pink heart on it. Who's gonna eat this popsicle? Let's see. What do we have? Do we have more here? Yes, we have one more surprise. And this one is an avocado. It's a fruit that everybody loves, an avocado. And now we have a blue box, and we have a blue dog which is protecting his blue box. Let's see what's inside this blue box. Do we have something? Oh yes, we do have something. Well, the first one is we have a soldier, a blue soldier. Protecting every nation. A blue soldier inside it. And now, the second surprise is some blueberries. It's a bunch of blueberries. They are very yummy fruit. And we also have, I think, one more surprise inside it. It's a snowflake. It's a blue snowflake. What do we have in our last box? The last one is our purple box. This is our purple box, and this is our purple dog. It's a cute tiny purple dog. Let's see what's inside this box now. We have another mermaid. That's a purple and yellow mermaid, which is looking very pretty. There we go. And what else do we have? We have a pom-pom, a purple pom-pom for making our arts and crafts. And we have some grapes here. Grapes are a yummy fruit. They are purple and juicy and sweet and delicious. What else? Do we have something else? Oh yeah, we have a flower. It's a light purple flower and is really very beautiful. It has some green leaves on it too. Now we have checked all of our boxes and found all the surprises inside. We learned about the orange color. We learned about the red color. And then we learned about the yellow color. And then we learned about the green color. And then we learned about the blue color. And finally, we have learned about the purple color. I hope you all had fun.